ओ हीरो, कहाँ भाई? कमिटमेंट करके भाग गए हैं? डेली व्लॉग करूँगा, एक चैलेंज और सही। सैटरडे गुजरा, संडे भी गुजर गया, मंडे भी गुजर गया, कहाँ है डेली व्लॉग? वेलकम टू माय टॉकिंग व्लॉग। कभी आपने सोचा कि जिस तरह से हम वजन को किलोग्राम्स ग्राम्स में नाप सकते हैं, लेंथ को किलोमीटर्स मीटर्स सेंटीमीटर्स में नाप सकते हैं, क्या ये मुमकिन है कि हम खुशी को, सेटिस्फैक्शन को किसी यूनिट में नाप सकें? हाउ कैन वी थिंक ऑफ मेजरिंग हैप्पीनेस एंड सेटिस्फैक्शन? Is there any scientific way of doing it? Actually, there are two methods, one of which is very understandable, intuitive, but considered technically wrong. पहला method उसमें ये है comparison का. You just make the comparisons. Like for example, if person A is happy, so person B is more happy, or person B is more happy and person A is less happy. You just compare their happiness and you just compare their satisfaction. This is one method and this is considered a correct method. लेकिन इसके अलावा एक method और भी है जो कि according to the Economist ये सही नहीं है, लेकिन more understandable है, ज़्यादा समझने के काबिल है. Economist ने खुशी को, satisfaction को एक यूनिट दी है और उसको कहते हैं utils. Like for example, मेरी शादी हो रही है, the happiness is here, it's 9 utils. और अगर मेरा ब्रेकअप हो रहा है तो my happiness is here, maybe 0 utils or it can be a negative value. So हम कुछ भी कंज्यूम करें, कुछ खाने की चीज़ हो या कुछ पहनने की चीज़ हो या कोई भी, हमारा बेसिक एम ये होता है कि हमें उससे सेटिस्फेक्शन हासिल हो, जिस मकसद के लिए हम उसको कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं वो मकसद पूरा हो. एंड इन रिटर्न वी गेट सम यूटिलिटीज़, नंबर ऑफ यूटिलिटीज़. लेकिन देन कम्स अ लॉ. वो लॉ ये कहता है कि द नंबर ऑफ यूटिलिटीज़ we get when we consume something, it goes to a peak level. I started drinking water, my utility was going up, and then came the point where I was satisfied. और उसके बाद अगर मैं पानी फिर भी पीता रहता हूँ तो my total utility will go down. So this is how the utilities goes down. This is how the satisfaction goes on diminishing. And then this gives rise to the law of diminishing marginal utility. मैंने कमेंट किया था कि मैं डेली व्लॉग करूँगा, लेकिन from the last couple of days I was not uploading. Saturday, Sunday and even Monday I couldn't upload. मैं एक हाइक पर गया था and that was one of the most adventurous experiences I ever had. और उसको एडिट करते हुए I was not satisfied at any point. I was not satisfied with the process. I was not satisfied with some parts of it, and things started to build up, and then I finished and I met Abdul Latif.
Hello.
Where are you going?
I still film to the university.
But it's here.
In Bristol.
Oh, okay, see you then. Bye-bye. The awkward moment. And when you're doing something and it's not getting as per your plan, as per your expectations, what happens is you just get stuck somewhere. रुक जाते हैं, आपको ब्रेक लग जाती है, you cannot move. So sorry. So that's where I was. That was the point when I started to feel like, okay, I should just keep it here and I'll continue it after this vlog. And I'm at the library, so I'll see you in the evening. So bye bye for a while. So we are here for this coffee break. Okay, you want to be in my vlog? Okay, look, we have people's requests to be on my vlogs. So where's my coffee?
Yeah.
Wait. Hello, how are you? Thanks for the coffee, Sebastian. You're welcome. Monica has those monster teeth. Wait, so we are.
We're drinking another round chocolate just because she wanted to mix her banana with the chocolate.
I'll see you after the. Okay, so we are done with the coffee. So I'll go back to the library, and yeah, see you then. Ciao. What? So basically, it's all about utility maximization. You go for walk, movies, coffee, hiking, whatever you do. It's all about how you maximize your utility, how you maximize your satisfaction. So here's the takeaway: do those things that maximize your utility, maximize your satisfaction. Sometimes you have to do those things that you don't like, and you think that at this very moment they're not contributing into your utility positively, but they are good for the future. So just mix them up to gain the maximum. And if you continue doing one thing for a very long time, there is a very good chance that the utility will very soon go on diminishing. So just mix them up and choose what is best for you. I think this is the end of this video, so I'll see you in the next one.